Hello, I'm going to show you how you can book your beau yoga classes on a laptop or a computer. So first, you're going to go to beauyoga.com, and you can either just search on Google for beau yoga, and it should pop up. Go to the home page, or you can also just type into your URL on uh, a new search. Just type beauyoga.com, and it should take you to the same place. So now you're going to scroll up to the top and you're going to find where it says virtual classes. You're going to click on that. And this will take you to our schedule of live virtual classes. It will have beau yoga and other classes as well. Select the class you want and click book now. This will now take you to the Momoyoga website, which is our booking software. Click book now and it will ask you to log into your account. So you need to have your email and your password that you use to log into Momoyoga, and then click login. Now you need to choose which product. So you have to have a valid membership to choose a class. So pick your membership, click on that, and now it will ask you to confirm, are you sure you want to book this class? Check that the date is correct, and you'll click book now. Now, if you do not have a current valid membership, you're just going to click down here at the bottom where it says add a new product, and you can now purchase a product for the class that you've chosen. So you have three options. You can do a drop-in, a monthly, or a year membership, and you pick which one you want to do. Click on that, and it shows you what you'll get, and just click confirm. If you have a credit card already on file, it should just take your payment. Otherwise, it will have you put your credit card information in. Now, if you need to cancel it, if you accidentally book the wrong class, or if you want to book multiple classes at once, you can scroll ahead and check. And now if you see where it says your name is attending, you can see you were booked. If you want to cancel it, click cancel the class. And you can cancel the booking. There's no penalty. You just cancel it, and that's all you do. Now you can look ahead and you can find which class you'd like to book. Click book now. And again, choose which membership. Now that you're already logged in, you don't have to do that step. It'll ask you again to confirm, and now you are booked. So now what you can do is check your email, and once you've booked a class, you will be able to see an email pop up immediately after you book your class, and also you'll get another email 30 minutes before the class starts, and then you can use either link to access the class. And so once you click into the link, you should be able to access the class.